Hello everyone, welcome to the weekly stock market update. My name is Avirup Dey, founder of AB Defensive, helping you here to earn financial freedom and live a better life. Before we begin, please note whatever being discussed here is only for case study and education purpose. Do not apply this analysis into live market without having proper trainings, guidance, and risk management protocols. Right? Well, so we are in the second week of New Year, and the important factor for this week is that Nifty reclaimed the 18,000 level back, and it is still holding the position strong till now. Let's see where we are standing as on 14 Jan 2022. As you can see, Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, Sensex have closed little bearish on the last day of this week. But all these three indices are actually in a better position if you compare with last week. Nifty was at 17,800, but this week has closed at 18,200 level. Same way Bank Nifty, which was 3700 700, but this week it is at 38,300 level. And Sensex, which was at 59,700, but this week has closed at 61,200 level. Nifty Mid Cap 100 and Small Cap 100 are also done well and closed in a better position in respect to last week. Advanced decline ratio is 1.26. Total 1243 number of stocks were positive and near about 854 stocks have declined during end of the week. If we talk about the sectors, overall this week all the sectors have done well except FMCG. VIX is at 16.55, still in a comfortable level as it was in last week. Market is neither in accumulation nor in distribution zone. Both sides has the equal opportunity. That is what VIX is indicating to us. If we have a quick look into the activities of institutions, FIIs have made more sell transaction this week, but the reason still the market is in bullish, that is because of DIIs who have made equally good amount of investments, which has created the overall balance. Rest is all about the retail investment which has helped market to reclaim the 18,000 level again. As we have already seen, all the major indices are in positive direction only, though they have closed little bearish on the closing hours of Friday, but still they are in a better position comparing to the last week. Let's take a quick look at US market. There we can see a mixed result. Nasdaq and S&P 500 are positive, but New York Stock Exchange and Dow Jones are in bearish mode. Well, now let's move to the technical chart of Nifty and see how market has moved in last 1 week and where it is headed in the upcoming week. This week, Monday, we have seen Nifty opened a huge gap up and continued the upward movement. And by end of the day, it was able to reclaim the 18,000 level after almost 1.5 months. Right? Next day, market continued to revolve near the 18,000 level and was trying to make it a stronger support level and was preparing for further up moves. On Wednesday, again market opened a huge gap up here and crossed the immediate resistance level of 18,100, and by end of the day crossed the next resistance level of 18,200 level with volume. Thursday market was again consolidating near 18,200 level But being the expiry day, it made a sudden movement, almost 100 points, at the closing hour. Friday, the last day of the week, morning in open day, big gap down and went below 50-day moving average here. But in first 15 minutes only, it bounced back, reclaimed the 50-day moving average by creating a dragonfly doji candle, this one. Then entire day it was moving around the resistance level and finally closed at 18,255, just 2 points below the previous day, but overall 66 points above last Friday. Put call ratio is near zero point 0.9 and still in a zone from where market has most chance to move upside and may also become little bearish and may come down to take support at 50-day moving average for a shorter period of time. If we see the daily chart, Nifty facing resistance at 18,200 for last 3 days. It is also creating a double top here. You can see this level, this one and this one is creating a double top and may come down to take a support at 50-day moving average at 18,000 or maybe at 17,900 level here. But market has a great chance to break the resistance and reach to 18,400 or even 500 level very soon. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope it helps you understanding the market and take your trading position accordingly. Hope you are learning how to interpret charts and how to analyze the market with different parameters. Before we close, please read the disclaimer once again and adhere to that. Please like and share this video so that it helps others in your circle to understand the market and take the decisions accordingly. Also, please click the subscribe button below so that you do not miss our upcoming videos in this channel. To get stock specific updates and other important information on daily basis, do join our Telegram channel, which is free for lifetime. Please find the link below. Those who want to open Demat account, I have added the link of Zerodha. You can click on the link and open your free Demat account and start trading. That's all for today. Have a great week ahead and we will again catch up on next Sunday. Stay connected with Every Defensive, earn financial freedom and live a better life. Thank you very much.